Hi everyone, in today's I'm gonna show to you how to make a Pandabuy account. So the first step is to go to pandabuy.com or you can use their own app. Then simply click on sign up here in the top right corner. Then here you have to choose your country, then enter your email address, your password, and then you'll have to confirm the password. And then you'll have to enter the verification code and then simply check this box here and click on sign up, and that's all you have to do. Then you can simply use Pandabuy. You'll receive a verification code or your email address, so this is very important. And then you'll be able to buy products from Pandabuy. So as you can see, please activate your Pandabuy account with the link sent to your email inbox. So you're gonna find here, as you can see, something similar to this. You'll have to click on this link, and that's all. As you can see, activate account, email activated, and now you can simply go on and use it, and that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.